Hello and welcome to Python tutorial number 78. In a previous video we saw how the map function works and how it can be used to apply a function to multiple elements of a list in turn. For any of you who missed that video, I recommend you check it out first by clicking on the link above. Today instead we are going to look at a similar function called filter. I won't explain its working straight away, but rather I will show you an example, and then you can see whether you're able to guess how this function works. So let's write def func, short for function, of x, and then we can say return x modulus 3 equals 0. Then we can write a list which will have, for example, numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And finally, we can say print list of filter of func, comma, a. Now, if we run the code, you can see that on the right-hand side, we have a list that contains only the values 3, 6, and 9. Now, before I reveal how the filter function works, pause the video and write your guess in the comments below. Oh, and while you're there, please make sure to hit that subscribe button as well so you don't miss any future videos. Now then, I'm sure most of you have guessed correctly that the filter function works by applying a function to the various elements of the list and then returns only those elements for which the output of the function is true. Of course, this only works with functions that return either true or false. However, it can be extremely useful for removing values which do not comply with a specific criterion before proceeding, for example, with the rest of a particularly lengthy or complex code. As usual, the filter function has millions of uses, so I'll leave you some time now to study this function some more and perhaps implement it into your existing codes. As always, should you have any questions, then please make sure to leave them in the comments down below. I look forward to seeing you all again next week, and in the meantime, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and as always, happy coding!